Hey guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. I recently purchased this pair of true wireless earbuds from Wish. Are they amazing? Well, let's find out. They don't have any branding except the model number, which is BTH-278. Well, looking around the package, there's nothing really interesting. We don't see even the specifications of the earbuds. But there is information about the earbuds at the back of the package. Anyway, let's just leave all that and see what we get inside the package. From the unboxing, we can see everything is cheaply packed. We get a user manual which is in English. A micro USB cable for charging the device is included. We also get extra silicone ear tips. Finally, we get the storage unit, which is plastic built. The charging port and the power out are located at the front of the storage unit, which has a flap if you want to access them. The unit has magnets that keep the storage unit intact. Well, the earbuds are really small and light. They are made from plastic except for the ear tips, which are rubber. Pairing is same as other brands. Once you remove them from the case, they enter pairing mode and they flash red and blue. By the way, they are equipped with voice assistant. The storage unit has an LED screen, which is really good. It doesn't look cheap at all. It shows the charge of the different earbuds as well as the storage unit. As I mentioned earlier, pairing is pretty easy. Once you remove them from the unit, they blink red and blue. Go to your phone and you will see the TWS 5.0, and that's basically it. How about the sound quality? The overall sound quality is really good and pretty loud. They actually isolate well too. The bass is not deep, but it's better than most earbuds. The earbuds are equipped with touch controls, but they are not good. They do work half the time. Anyways, sincerely speaking, if you want true wireless earbuds with awesome sound quality but cheaper, then get these. I can recommend them to anyone. Well, for now, that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just drop it in the comment box below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video, and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.